What is Robotic Process Automation, or RPA? RPA is a form of business process automation technology. It provides a way to automate tasks by following what a user currently does manually. Think of actions such as mouse clicks, keyboard usage, and data entry. RPA allows us to replicate those actions into smart workflows executed by the RPA tools rather than a person. This is incredibly useful for automating tasks where we currently have a person involved who is moving files and folders, extracting, copying and inserting data, filling in forms and completing routine analysis and reports. Let's look at a simple scenario in the workplace where RPA can make a difference. Let's say we are a pharmaceutical company managing sales representatives who are selling antihistamines into pharmacies. Every day our office manager compiles a report of which sales rep was working what hours, what pharmacy was visited, what sales they achieved, what the weather conditions were, including the pollen count in that postcode. To create this report, the office manager checks the CRM system for the sales representative's appointments and the sales achieved. They check the HR system for who's scheduled to work that day and their rostered hours, and they check an external website for the pollen count in that location the sales rep is visiting. The office manager combines this data into a table and emails it out to a listing of senior managers at the end of every day. With RPA tools, these same tasks can be turned into bots. Instead of the office manager logging on to the CRM system, the HR system, and the weather website, the bot obtains all of this necessary information at a scheduled time. The bot formats the data as needed and then sends it out via email to the same recipients. We have reduced the potential of errors and introduced an automated way of creating the report without modifying our existing CRM or HR systems. Bots can be categorized as attended and unattended. An attended bot may be triggered by a person. An unattended bot may be scheduled at a certain time or triggered after a condition is met without the need of intervention. It is important to understand that an RPA bot doesn't replace a human, and it is not to be confused with machine learning and AI. It does help to eliminate errors, speed up repetitive tasks, and frees time up for our people to focus on more valuable activities. Employing RPA bots at scale can significantly boost productivity across an enterprise with the advantage of not having to modify or replace any of our existing technology stack. There are plenty of great RPA tools in the market, and we have team members who have implemented these in a number of industries who are constantly in demand. With so many businesses finding ways to improve productivity with RPA, it would be great to hear your experiences. What's worked well, and what did you learn when automating tasks? Just leave a comment below or drop me a message.